Hello dear students! Welcome back to the third part of our online math class with Teacher Ray.
Hey Emily, what are you doing? Playing with blocks. It's so much fun. Well, we can play later. Right now we have to develop a formula. Formulas are cool to use because they help us solve problems. Why do we have to use a formula? Can't we just count the blocks to find the answer? Well, counting works sometimes. For example, if the figure is small, counting can be simple. But when you have a larger figure, counting can be time-consuming. Also, some of the cubes in a larger figure may not be visible. Look at this figure. Wow, so many blocks! And you're right, we can't see all of the cubes. Yes, but with a formula, it will be easy to find the volume of this figure. The formula we will use is volume equals area of the base times the height. The base is the bottom of the figure. So let's take a look at it. Here's a close-up view. The formula for the area of a rectangle is length times width. So Emily, what's the area of the base? I know! It's 3 times 2, which is 6 square units. Right! So B, which stands for the area of the base, is 6 square units. Again, the formula for volume is V equals B times H. We know the value of B, but what about H? Well, H stands for height, so all we do is count up, like floors in a building. There are 4 floors. Right again, Emily. The height is 4. So the volume is 6 times 4, which equals 24 cubic units. So there are 24 unit cubes that make up this figure. You were right. Working with the formula is easier than you think. Thank you. Now you can go back to playing with those blocks. See you next time.
In this video, we will check your answers in the task I have given you from my previous one. Let's check your answer for the independent practice. Find the volume of each rectangular prism. Remember that volume is measured in cubic units. For number 5, we only have 2 given dimensions. The area of the base, which is 16, and the height, which is 2. So we will apply the formula base. Let's check your answers for the independent practice. Find the volume of each rectangular prism. Remember that volume is measured in cubic units. For number 5, we only have 2 given dimensions. The area of the base, which is 16 square yards, and the height, which is 2 yards. Here, we will apply the formula V equals B times H. So we will multiply 16 times 2, and that is equal to 32 cubic yards. For number 6, 52 times 3 equals 156 cubic meters. In number 7, we have 3 given dimensions. So we will use the formula V equals L times W times H. V equals 11 times 4 times 5 equals 220 cubic inches. Just in case you answered 8, 9, and 10, I will also give you the answers. For number 8, V equals 64 times 4 equals 256 cubic centimeters. Number 9, V equals 12 times 10 times 11 equals 1,320 cubic yards. For number 10, V equals 153 times 7 equals 1,071 cubic feet. Next, page 602, item number 12. 2 ovens have measurements as shown. Which oven has a greater volume? How much greater is its volume? Show your work. First, we will find the volume of oven A. So V equals 576 times 15 equals 8,640. For oven B, 672 times 14 equals 9,408. So based on our volumes, which one has a greater volume? Is it oven A or oven B? Correct. It's oven B. Now, let's find out how much greater is its volume than oven A. So let us subtract 9,408 minus 8,640 equals 768. So our final answer, oven B has a greater volume. And it is 768 cubic inches greater. Next, page 600. Next, item number 15. 15. Next, item number 15. Which expression can be used to find the volume of the carton in cubic inches? If your answer is letter D, you are correct. 308 times 12. Next, on page 604. Item number 8, reasoning. What is the height of a rectangular prism that has a volume of 192 cubic feet and a base with an area of 48 square feet? Explain your work. The volume is given. We need to find the height. So we will divide the volume by the area of the base, and the quotient is the height. 192 divided by 48 equals 4. So the height of the prism is 4 feet. Item number 10. Two cereal boxes have measurements as shown. Which box has less volume? How much smaller is its volume? Show your work. So we have cereal A and cereal B again. Box A, V equals 16 times 14 equals 224 cubic inches. Box B, 21 times 12 equals 552 cubic inches. Now, which box has less volume? Box A or box B? Correct, that's box A. Now, let's find how much smaller is it. So, 252 minus 224 equals 28. So, cereal box A is 28 cubic inches lesser than cereal box B. Last item, number 11. Which expression can be used to find the volume of the brick in cubic inches? So the area of the base is 28 square inches and the height is 2 inches. So if your answer is letter A, you got it correct. So 28 times 2. And that ends our lesson 10.3. See you on my next video. Bye!